Hey, my name's Angel, and I just wanted to share a little bit of my experience with the Align to Manifest program. Um, I have had a lot of shifts in my life, all making things better. The big one that comes so obviously to mind is like my finances. Um, I was making $1,600 a month working for the state at a job that I just hated, and I was able to shift that into working for myself at a little business that we had that had been kind of creeping along, barely paying its own way, and a lot of the energetic shifts that I was able to incorporate into my life from the program um, enabled me to just get with this business and make it happen. Now we're making 10K a month, um, fairly steadily, so that's a huge change. Also, like, my personal relationship with my fiance was doing pretty well before, but I did have some issues dealing with his with the step kids. I definitely had friction with a couple of them, and that's just completely resolved itself from the changes that I made within myself. Nothing really changed. They didn't really change, but I guess my energetics changed, and that changed the whole relationship. So just like the household harmony is like really high now. Just like everything's going really great. And it seems like there's so many different things that goes into that. I realize now forever I was working on my finances, and it just seemed like it was always this piece that I could not figure out how to make it work. Like, I've struggled my whole life, kind of just barely making enough to get by. My family was pretty poor when I grew up, and I don't know, I just always had these blocks, energetic blocks with my prosperity and my abundance. And now I feel like that's taken care of. I'm just like on the spiral upwards, and it's only getting better and better from here. And I'm just like so deeply grateful that I've been a part of this program. It's really changed my life. It's changed my outlook. It's made me understand some of the micros of how manifesting really actually works, and how I knew I was manifesting my life before, but I didn't know how to change it. I didn't know how to change and get a different how to come out with something different than what I had been getting. And for years and years and years, I just been manifesting that barely enough to get by. And I see now how with every way that I spent my money, every way that I spoke my words, every thought that I was thinking, I was manifesting that. And so now, having this new information, I know how to manifest something different and something better. And so if you're thinking about joining any of Marci's programs, I'm so super duper grateful to her for the changes in my life, and it will not be wasted time or money. You'll be super glad that you did it. When you look back 3 months from now, 6 months from now, a year from now, and your life is in such a better place, more harmony, more abundance, more peace, more joy. I mean, that's what we come here to do, right? To learn how to live in this 3D world, and that's what Marcy Locke can give you. Anyway, thank you. Have a great day.